कम टू पेज नंबर 10। गर्मी बीती और बारिश का मौसम आ गया। आसमान में बादल छाने लगे। मौसम सुहावना हो गया। मोर अपने पंखों को फैलाकर नृत्य करने लगा। बारिश की बूंदें टप टप गिरने लगी। जंगल के सभी जानवर बाहर आए। सभी गर्मी के बाद पहली बारिश में भीगने का आनंद लेने लगे। नाउ गर्मी, summer is gone, and barish, rainy season has come. When it is rainy season, you can see the black or the grey clouds in the sky. The entire climate, the entire place had become very pleasant, very nice, because no more heat was there. It was really very cool. Now when it is raining, normally before it starts raining, the peacocks dance in the rain, or when it is about to rain, when they see the black clouds, peacock spreads out its beautiful feathers and they dance in the rain. Peacock is called मोर in Hindi. So बारिश की बूंदें टप टप गिरने लगी. Raindrops started falling and the sound made by the raindrops is tap tap. जंगल के सभी जानवर बाहर आए. They came out of their house. They came out of their homes. जानवर are the animals. Jungle, you know, it's jungle. सभी गर्मी के बाद पहली बारिश, after the summer, they were enjoying the first rain. Even we too enjoy the rain, the first rain, the natural rain. And sometimes during summer vacation, when we go to water theme parks, we have the habit of dancing in that artificial rain. We have that rain dance. Do you remember that? You had first, second standard, you had been to Fantasy Park Malambura, and there you had that rain dance. You have that rain dance there, and I've seen plenty of children playing in that rain. Okay, I've seen that. So similarly, this is the first rain, and who doesn't like the first rain? Everybody, is not bothered of getting wet, and they just go out and play out in the rain. Similarly, all the animals were very happy of the first rain, and they were dancing in that rain. So let's proceed with the underlining of difficult words. The first line, the three words, garmi, barish, mausam. One more word, asman. Garmi is summer, barish rain, mausam season or climate, asman sky. Badal, clouds. So underline garmi, barish, mausam, asman, badal. Next line you have suhavna, which means pleasant or very nice. Then pankom, the feathers. Failakar, spreading. Nritya, dance. The next line you have boonde. And the same line you have janwar. The last line you have bhigne and then anand. Now listen to the question very carefully. गर्मी के बाद कौन सा मौसम आया? Now after summer, which season did come? Which was a season that came after summer. गर्मी के बाद कौन सा मौसम आया और आ गया? So very first line you have the answer. After summer came rainy. गर्मी बीती और बारिश का मौसम आ गया. So you can mark that. Then बादल कहाँ छाने लगे? बादल कहाँ छाने लगे? Where can you see the clouds? In the sky, correct? The second line again becomes a question. आसमान में बादल छाने लगे. मौसम कैसा था? How was the climate? मौसम सुहावना हो गया. मौसम सुहावना था. कौन बारिश में नाचने लगा या नृत्य करने लगा? इट वॉज मोर अपने पंखों को फैलाकर नृत्य करने लगा. और यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. मोर कैसे नाचने लगा? हाउ डिड द पीकॉक डांस? सो यू कैन से पंखों को फैलाकर. सो मार्क दैट ऑल्सो. बारिश की बूंदें टप टप गिरने लगी. बारिश के बूंदें कैसे गिरने लगी? How did the rain fall? It started falling in drops, making that tup tup sound. See, each and every line can be made into a question. So understand each and every line. जंगल के सभी जानवर बाहर आ गए. कौन जंगल के यू कैन आस्क लाइक दिस, जंगल के सभी जानवर कहाँ आ गए? जंगल के सभी जानवर बाहर आ गए. बाहर मीन्स दे केम आउट ऑफ देयर होम्स. देन सभी गर्मी के बाद पहली बारिश में भीगने लगे. पहली बारिश में कौन भीगने लगे? Who was getting wet and who was very happy in the first rain? It was the animals, जानवर. So सभी गर्मी के बाद सभी means the जानवर there. Okay, the animals there. Now let's go with the second paragraph. पहले हाथी आया, फिर भालू आया, चिड़िया भी चींची करती आ गई. Underline हाथी, underline भालू. हाथी means elephant and भालू means bear. चिड़िया means bird. First came the elephant, then the bear and then the birds. जंगल का राजा शेर क्यों पीछे रहता? The king of the jungle. The शेर, the lion actually. शेर in certain places, you know, tigers are also called शेर, and even lions are called शेर. Actually, lion is सिंह, but in some places both the tiger and lion is called शेर. So the king of the jungle also came out. Pashu Shavak. Shavak means the young ones of animals. Okay. So Pashu Shavak अधिक खुश हो रहे थे. They were the young babies of the animals. They were the most happiest persons because they were enjoying, they loved to play in the rain and they were enjoying themselves in the rain. हिरन के चौने, सिंह के शावक, बंदर, गिलहरियाँ, चूहे, monkeys, squirrels, deer, lion and their young ones, everybody's young ones, everybody was enjoying. And how they were enjoying? Let's read आदि. दमा चौकड़ी मचा रहे थे. Sorry, it is दमा चौकड़ी. Underline दमा चौकड़ी. दमा चौकड़ी means they were jumping up and down. उछल कूद करना. कोई इधर भाग रहा था तो कोई उधर भाग रहा था. They were running here and there. That is इधर भागना, coming here, going there. So and then खरगोश और कछुआ भी उस आनंद में शामिल हो गए. Both the rabbit and the tortoise were actually enjoying the rain along with the other animals. So you have underlined हाथी, बालू and चिड़िया. After that, in underline shavak, the red word. And then comes adik, just below the third line, below shavak. Not below shavak exactly, but the line below shavak. Adik, the first word in the third line. Then underline hiran, छावनी, गिलहरिया, दमा चौकड़ी, इधर, उधर, शामिल. Shamil means to join them. Okay. Now let me ask you the first question. कौन पहले आया? Who was the first animal that came out to play in the rain? It was the elephant. The first line you have the answer हाथी. After elephant, हाथी के बाद कौन आया? It was the balu. Correct? Who was the third one to come out? It was the चिड़िया. And then पशु के साथ कौन कौन आया? That is पशु पक्षियों के साथ कौन कौन आया? It was their young ones, the शावक. Correct? और जानवर, सभी जानवर क्या कर रहे थे? दमा चौकड़ी कर रहे थे. They were jumping up and down. कौन यहाँ वहाँ भाग रहा था? Some of the animals, the जानवर यहाँ वहाँ भाग रहे थे. And then कौन इस खुशी में शामिल हो गए? It was the खरगोश and the कछुआ.